Garmin is reportedly introducing micro-LED display technology in the Fenix 8 Pro, a move that promises to redefine smartwatch visuals. Micro-LED offers significant improvements over traditional LCD and OLED screens, making it a game-changer for outdoor and sports enthusiasts. Benefits of micro-LED: brighter and sharper visuals, perfect for bright sunlight or low-light conditions, ensuring that your screen is always legible. Energy efficiency: micro-LED consumes less power, translating to longer battery life, a critical feature for multi-day expeditions. Durability: these displays are more robust, offering enhanced resistance to scratches and impacts, making them ideal for rugged environments. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or checking your stats during a workout, the Fenix 8 Pro's display is designed to deliver a superior viewing experience. Heart rate variability (HRV), a deeper understanding of your stress levels and recovery. Lactate threshold tracking, optimize training by monitoring your body's efficiency and oxygen usage. Advanced sleep analysis, comprehensive sleep tracking to help you recover better and perform at your peak. These features position the Fenix 8 Pro as a versatile tool for everyone from casual fitness enthusiasts to elite athletes. Rugged yet sophisticated design. Garmin's Fenix series has always balanced durability with style, and the Fenix 8 Pro continues this tradition with a sleeker yet robust design. Leaks suggest it will come in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, offering options for different wrist sizes and preferences. Garmin's legacy of innovation. To understand the significance of the Fenix 8 Pro, it's essential to appreciate Garmin's journey. Fenix 5 introduced robust outdoor tracking features. Fenix 6 added solar charging and enhanced battery life. Fenix 7 pioneered multiband GNSS for precise mapping. The Fenix 8 Pro builds on this legacy with innovations like micro-LED displays, advanced health tools, and potential satellite connectivity. Each iteration has pushed the boundaries of what a smartwatch can achieve, and the Fenix 8 Pro is no exception. Advanced training tools for peak performance. The Fenix 8 Pro is rumored to include a suite of advanced training tools to help athletes achieve their goals. From detailed running metrics to cycling power analysis, these tools provide actionable insights for optimizing performance. Performance metrics. VO2 max tracking, monitor your aerobic fitness levels and track progress over time. Training load and recovery, ensure you're balancing exertion with recovery to avoid burnout. Cycling dynamics, in-depth analysis for cycling enthusiasts, including pedal efficiency and balance. Rumored release date and pricing. Garmin typically follows an 18 to 24-month release cycle for the Fenix series. Based on recent leaks, the Fenix 8 Pro could launch in mid-2025, aligning with this timeline. While pricing details are still speculative, it's expected to start at around $799, reflecting its premium positioning.